the second force that is important to learn about is called the normal force. Normal force. And normal force results from surfaces. Results from surfaces. If you want to think about a surface, like maybe as a table, wall, I don't know, road, and many other examples for that. Okay, so let's see. If you have an object, this object is sitting on a table like this. So this is your object, and it has a mass m. Okay, there are two forces acting on this object. The first one is what we learned up here, and we call this force the weight of, or the force of gravity. So I'm gonna call it W, and this W is always equal mass of the object times gravity. So if that was the only force acting on the object, the object will fall down, because that's the only force acting on it. However, the object doesn't fall down. What prevents it from falling down is the surface of the table. So the surface of the table acts with exactly the same force, okay? We call it the normal force, and we identify it with the letter N, not N Newton. No, this is for the normal force. And according to action-reaction, Newton's third law, in this case, N is equal to mg, because for every force, or for every action, there is a reaction. Okay? The thing you need to know about normal force, it is always perpendicular to surface. Always perpendicular. So look at this surface here. You see that? So this is the surface of the table. Where's the perpendicular side for it? There. That's the direction of the perpendicular. So, and that's how the normal force is acting. So let's say if we have an object that is on an inclined plane like that, so there's the object on an inclined plane, and this object has mass m. Where is the normal force, you think? If that's the surface here, the normal force is going to be what? Directed this direction, which is what? Perpendicular to the surface. Remember that very well, because that's important. Okay? Of course, where's the weight? The weight is always down. There is no debate about that. However, the normal force is what? Always perpendicular to the surface. Okay? If you want to draw the free body diagram for this one, let's say this angle is theta. So we draw the xy coordinate. We represent the object with a dot. We know that W is going this way, and the normal force is going this way.